Okay, we're up in Taipa Grande. It's a big hilltop, and we're gonna just kind of show you all the stuff that's down here. So there's like a little incline, and we're gonna tell you about all that stuff right there, and that over there too. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna, this is a little incline that you can go in, up and down with, and then this overlooks all the Cotai, so we're just gonna take a look at it so you can see it in a minute. So there it is, there's some people coming up right there. So yeah, this just kind of goes straight down that way. And you can also see a little trail all the way down. So just kind of walk down a little bit, and then I'm going to show you all this right here as well. So let's take a look here. So if you can see this right here, this whole brown, this is all new. This wasn't here. Actually, I tried to walk on it when it was still being built, and I had to get over a few hurdles. So yeah, it's this little brown thing right there. And actually, if you can take this is Taipa Village right here. These are Galaxy, that's Zhuhai, all of that is Galaxy right there. And then Venetian, Parisian, Londoner, Morpheus. And then you can just take this little thing right all the way up here. So let's see. So yep, so you got a pretty nice little view of this whole area. So that's the Cotai Strip right there. So that's basically Cotai, that's must. The airport is around on that side of this little mountain. This is a really expensive apartment building. I think it's like about almost $2 million for each unit. I don't know how big the units are, but let's see. We're just gonna walk down a little bit further. It's a little bit sunny. Is that sun affected at all? Yeah, let's get out of the sun. So way down there is, this is all Zhuhai, so that's Hengqin Island, and Hengqin, Taipa, and then all those mountains over there, that's, I believe that's all Hengqin as well. Then there's the University of Macau right there, behind this, between these Galaxy, behind this construction building. That's actually on Hengqin Island. And now we have one of these inclines going up and down. Yep, so now you get a nice little view overlooking Taipa. And you also have a park right here, so there's a park that goes all the way up that way, and then if you go down this way there's apartments, and you can actually walk all the way down that way. And then this one is kind of like a little circle and a mountain. All right.